Guess what, Bubba? We don't really need it. Sorry, Bubba, but this cash splits better one way than two. At least I reckon it does.
I'm gonna bring the whole damn pack down on top of you. Then I'm gonna stop you myself.
Do your worst, Bubba. Ain't no way you get that there rig past the cops and catch me too. So long, sucker.
I gotta lead the cops to the real crime. Bag that redneck dirtbag.
Who you talking to, Bubba? You praying to God?
This thing may be built like a tank, but it can't take much more punishment.
You're doing good to last this long, you poor old piece of white trash.
Hey, Foghorn! I see you! Hell, even a big rig like this can't take punishment forever.
All them knocks and busted a screw loose. Enjoy your time in jail. Damn it, Bubba, I knew you was trouble. You blame brain crazy son of a goat.
How'd you like them apples, huh? Huh? Now to wreck that double-crossing thief guy. It's time to end this.
I slept with him. It was a mistake, and I'm sorry, sis.
Yeah, it'll...
So, Sergio.
Without a green card, I appreciate every break I can get.
No green card?
No. Is that a problem?
We'll see.
Dang it, Bubba. How'd we get to this?
Well, we're both backstabbing 2-bit wannabes without the sense God gave a chicken. That's how it got to this.